असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय.
Hi, hello children. Welcome to MRMS Digital Classes. Today we are going to discuss Grade 3 Science Chapter 7 The Story of Cooking Session 8. In this session we are going to learn spices and herbs in detail. Spices and herbs are parts of different plants. Spices and herbs are used in cooking to add special flavor and taste to food. Some spices also add color to the food. There are many different kinds of spices and herbs. Each one of them has its own special taste and smell. India is famous for its spices. Some of the commonly used spices and herbs are asafoetida, hing, and chilies, lal mirchi, clove, lavang, cumin seeds, jeera, cardamom, ilaichi, pepper, kali mirchi, mustard seeds, rye, turmeric, haldi, mint, pudina, coriander, dhania. These are the some examples of spices and herbs. Children, do you know? Salt, used in many foods to add taste, is not a spice, as salt is not a part of any plant. It is not a spice. Tekkadi, a village in Kerala, is known as the land of spices. 1/4 of the world's total spices are produced in Kerala. By this session, we completed our 7th chapter.